I'm Alan Nixon. I've created and delivered cybersecurity material to civilian and military customers, all looking to deal with the threats and opportunities of cyber connectivity in a fast-changing and challenging digital world. Join me on Thursday, 13th of January, as I'll be hosting Good eLearning's Implementing RESILIA Controls Using a Risk-Based Approach webinar. In this 45-minute webinar, I'll help you find out more about the practical application of RESILIA, see how it can link to various other frameworks and standards, and understand more about the risk-based approach to RESILIA and the RESILIA approach to risk, as well as the difference between those two concepts. You'll also get the opportunity to ask me questions in an exclusive Q&A session at the end of that webinar. Don't miss this chance to gain an in-depth insight. Click on the link and register for free today.